Hello everybody, this is my video about changing motor regulator on my front door, driver's side for window. So on Buick 2002 Regal LS, Regal LS. So what I did, I removed original mechanism and put some pieces of wood to hold the whole window. I'll show you how to do it. And actually what I will do, I will put new one today. And you will see how I removed it, so by putting new one, so it's kind of a reversed progression. Now let's start with removing door panel. How to remove it. Alright. There is small Phillips screw in the recess right there. Okay, so let's remove it. Now let me see if I'm not missing. And inside the door panel right here there is a small piece of plastic which covers two bolts. Let's pry it out, and you can see two bolts, size 10 I believe. Alright, 10, yes, it fits. Alright, just these three things which hold it. Now we have, I don't know how you call them, plastic things which hold the door panel. So I removed it already, put it back. First time it was a little bit difficult to remove, so what I did, I took two flat head. Okay, alright. Dryers, and I put them around that plastic, pegs, I would say. Alright, let me put camera first down that you can see what I'm doing, because one arm working isn't so convenient. Now let's see if you make better view. Can you see it? Alright, yeah. Alright, one working, and let's see, okay, one is over here, screwdriver, one from the other side, and just pry it. And you can see one came out. Then you can work with your fingers, or you can work again with the screwdrivers. And let me see, this one gives me some trouble, so what I do, just pry it like this. The rest came back. Let's hold it and go around, work around like this, up. Okay, looks like we're ready to remove this thing. Now what I found, when you remove it, it falls down, but it has wires connected, so I put this cardboard. Okay, oh, I missed it. One very important tool. Take a look. It's my stool. Whatever I saw before, the people sit squatting and you hurt your knees. Try not to. So it's very important. Now, let's go back to the door. Move it a little up. Okay. Right. And you don't have to be gentle, as one gentleman said. This one. Side. Because they are pretty rugged things. And you want to move the door panel forward because of this handle. Let's see. Alright. Okay, good. Now it goes forward all the way. the handle. Good. Now we have to remove. Be careful because there are wires. And you want to disconnect all these connectors. Some of them easy, some of them not. So I'm using screwdriver just to push it. And you see how cardboard is now convenient. Alright. With a screwdriver, push it in. Tweeter goes off. And then we have what? 4 more. Alright, let's continue. I can't believe it. My battery on my camera gone dead. So now it's iPhone. Okay. Now the switches. Probably you can't see it from over there. Let me move the camera a little bit. And we'll see if you can get better view. Alright. So it's over here. Let's put it down. A better viewing. Alright. One is, so we disconnected one. What is that? Mirror. No, not mirror stays. It's, I believe, Twitter. Or, yes, Twitter. Now, another one switches right over here. You can see. Pry it and remove it. Better use both hands. Like this one. And then 3 more. So what did I use? I believe I used screwdriver. Let me see a small one. Okay. Another one, and the last one gave me some trouble, but you just push it from the side with a screwdriver and it will go. Let's see. It doesn't. Alright. Let's make better view. Right there. Now I can see when I'm pushing. Push a little harder because eventually it will go. Hey, come on. Yeah, alright. So, this is 4 connectors together, and the 5th is for Twitter. Now, we don't need door panel. Let's get rid of it. Ooh, camera is not level. Let's level it a little. Probably you can see. Now the door will be open more. And this piece of plastic is removed. I use scissors. Where's my scissors? Right here. Because there is some adhesive. You will see black one. And it goes like this. What I do, I just cut in the middle. Like this. So portion of it will be on plastic and portion goes on the door. What do we have? Now I have to remove my screws which hold the piece of wood. Let's make it this way, you will have a better view. Now, nothing will hold the glass, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this tape to hold it in place. Pretty easy. I saw it on the internet, and professional guys, they use it. Now I have another piece of support, and this is my kind of plastic tube. I didn't have enough wood, so I put this plastic tube inside, and it held my window in two places, just with a groove, as you can see. And I did groove actually in piece of wood too. Cut the groove so the glass went over here, cut it precise size, measured it, cut it, and it was pretty good. And I was driving for a week, maybe less. I didn't have time to change the mechanism once I received the spare part, so now I have time, yeah, for a week. Alright, so it's ready. So let's bring the mechanism. Yeah, it's gonna go like this. Okay, let's put it on. So this one we don't need. Which one goes first? I have no idea. Probably the long portion goes first, and then motor portion, something like this. This is top portion, by the way, where the cables are. Good. Now it's in, and let's see. Good. One. And over here, oh, I forgot. 3 bolts. You can put through big holes and then they go down. However, the 4th one, I put it in, but I should remove it. One of them, I'll show you. Oh, 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 oh. There's it, somewhere here, this one. Okay, now, look how it works. Yeah, they showed up. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. And this one probably I have to remove too, because it goes through the hole in this holder later on. Because I don't remember how I took it, but it was wicked. Anyway, let's go. Something like this. Good. Now we have 1, 2. This one's going to be 3 and 4. Alright, let's back to our business. Now, what I have done, I put again my old trick, brought spare battery over here, because I need this piece to move down, and you will see how the glass is connected to this moving piece. But in order to do it, I need electricity. So electricity is provided my spare battery. And let's see. Okay, let's connect one. And connection should be pretty good, otherwise it's not working. So, 1. Okay, wrong polarity. It moved, but it moved up. I need it down to a certain point. Make sure that you don't short it. Okay, good. Now you can see the holes for the window, for the glass to be connected to this piece. And let's not short it. Okay, we don't need